Hey, it's Kasim with Solutions 8, and I have a warning for you. You may or may not already know this, but Google is automatically applying ad suggestions to your account. And this is, in many instances, a catastrophic error because we don't necessarily want a machine writing ads for us just yet. Now, I have no doubt Google's going to get there, but up until this point, the ad suggestions, in my experience, have been less than stellar. You may not have had different experiences. So if you like the ad suggestions, ignore this video. But if you don't and you want to know how to turn them off, know that it's hidden in a really annoying and kind of cryptic way. I'm going to show you how to find it. So we're going to dive into an account. I'm going to dive into mine. And you're going to go up here to all campaigns. And then from all campaigns, we're actually, let me move my face, going to go to settings and then account settings. And inside account settings, you'll notice that we have ad suggestions. Now, this is interesting because if I'm in a specific campaign, this is not available to me. So you have to be at the account level. And at the account level, we'll see ad suggestions. And when I select ad suggestions, you'll notice that we've got automatically apply ad suggestions after 14 days. Ideal setting for most advertisers, meaning ideal setting for us, Google. Do not automatically apply ad suggestions. Not recommended. This is my favorite, by the way. If you ever see recommended by Google, that means you're about to get taken advantage of. And if you see not recommended, probably do that thing. I'm just kidding, by the way. That's not a ubiquitous truth, but it is interesting how often that ends up being true. I also think that this next piece is really interesting. You don't see this often from Google, meaning they're not often interested in our thoughts. But here they are giving us the opportunity to give them feedback on why we're opting out of this setting. And I think that that is very telling. It shows that they're trying to figure out how to hurdle our objections. So I'd recommend turning off the auto apply ad suggestions just until they get more efficient. You know, at the moment they're making changes that don't maintain continuity with the campaign, and Google doesn't know your strategy. They don't know why you did what you did. So it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to let a machine adjust your ad copy just yet, not until it starts learning to a little bit better degree. So again, I'm sure that they'll hone this to a degree that it actually ends up working for us. Either that, or they'll end up making this mandatory to where you can't opt out of it anyway, which wouldn't put, you know, I wouldn't put past Google. But I wanted to let you know where this is, that it was happening, and how to turn it off. I hope this was helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, comments if you have questions, subscribe if you want to see a video every day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.